My name is Mayur Dharmadhikari. I am heading demand chain, IT and HR for a German multinational SEW-EURODRIVE India Pvt. Limited. We have 3 plants in 3 different cities in India and sales offices at 17-18 locations. And we are into assembly of gear motors, variable frequency drives, industrial gearboxes. Say 5 years back, as we were growing in terms of headcount and in terms of locations, we thought of migrating from our legacy system for handling payroll to a better version because of issues what we had in the earlier system. Attendance was at some level automated in terms of capturing the attendance data, but integration to a software to run payroll was missing. So payroll was done manually and we started our vendor evaluation process. And finally we zeroed down on Opportune based out of Bombay. During evaluation, whatever feedback we got from their customers was good. And while discussing our requirement also, we found them promising in terms of meeting the requirements. Our requirements at some level, I would say, I don't know whether I can call it unique, but yes, there was capturing this compensatory off, or our incentive policy is a policy which is applicable for sales, operation both, so slightly complicated in terms of the way it is documented. And after we started interacting with their team, we found their team reasonably competent, whether you talk about the back-end team developing the software or the front-end team in terms of sales. And also Opportune senior management team, because whenever required, whenever we made a call in terms of escalation, they were available and the response was pretty prompt. If you ask me as a feedback, I would strongly recommend them. I wish Opportune best of luck for the future. They have been a promising partner to us for payroll and attendance management.